Today we're featuring a 2011 Ford Edge Limited. It's got 131,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, but it's got 2 previous owners. Alright, it's crystal black in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We do have a dent right here in the panel. It does have the lock-unlock key panel right there. And the next thing we notice, it does have a scratch going all the way through here to there. Okay, but it's been painted over. We'll make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear park assist, rear backup camera, and a few little dings in the back bumper here. You know, but all that's to be expected for a car that's got 131,000 miles on it. It's a 2011. All right, so you can expect some of that. But the key is to price it right. All right, it's heated side mirrors. If you price it right, you know, then some of that stuff expected, but it's marked down to 11.5. All right, this thing's competitively priced, ready to sell. I know it's got a few scratches on it, but this thing at 11.5, you can't beat that price. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Hit the black and brown door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Okay, it does have your memory seats and power liftgate. It does have the power driver's seat. It's got the black trim through here, the brown seating area. All right, driver's seat leather's in good shape. It does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat looks good. Just maybe a small scratch in the leather there. Okay, but not a rip, it's just a scratch. It is an automatic. It's got your illuminated cup holders, dual climate controls. It's going to have your backup camera and radio display here with the heated seats, and I'll show you that in a second. Push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth. Steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 131,529 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll get you to your home screen here. All right, as you can see, it's got the heated seats over here, satellite radio. It's got Bluetooth and the compass over here. We'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, and then that beeping that you hear is actually the rear park assist. All right, it does have the push button start. And you've got your dual climate controls put up here. And it also has the Microsoft Sync as well. AC's blowing cold, no problem there. And it also has the universal remote. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Got the black and brown door panels here. Carpet back here is in good shape. Let me walk around and actually open up that passenger side door so we can let some more light in, so you can really see the leather. Let's see if we can't see that. Oh yeah, we can pick that up better now. All right, the brown leather. All right, everything's in good shape. Does have the center console that comes down. All right, got your storage area there, and the cup holders. All right, everything is really good with the leather, except I see one little spot right here. Maybe looks like a cigarette burn in the leather. It's not all the way through, just on the top layer there. Okay, but other than that, everything's in good shape. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. All right, back seat cloth looks good. All right, it does have the power lift gate. Spare tire down there. All right, and it has your power outlet here, and it looks like power. The power seating goes down. Let's check that out. Hit that button there. Yep, seats go down. Hit the left button there. All right, power seats. Awesome. All right, and you can see how much it really opens it up back there. All right, get them back up. You simply just pull the seat back up. Super light, easy to handle with just one hand. All right, it does have the power hatch. Simply press that button there. Engages the power hatch. As you can see, nice and slow coming down. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. got, let's see, 18-inch. All right, it's got the chrome caps on top of them, okay? So it's chrome clad aluminum, 18-inch. The chrome hubcaps. Brand new set of tires on here. All right, tires are brand new. Once again, it's a 2011 Ford Edge Limited, 131,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's got a couple scratches on it, a couple little scratches in the interior, okay? But it's a 2011 with 130,000 miles, so some of that's to be expected, but it will be priced right. It will be priced competitively. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.